Next topic, construction of matrix. In my previous video, I have explained all types of definitions of matrix. Now, construction of matrix. Suppose a question is given to you. Construct a matrix. Construct a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Define A equal to Aij and Aij equal to I plus j by 2. The question is define. Construct a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Define A equal to Aij where I plus j by 2. So for the solution, and first of all we have to write a matrix. 2 cross 2 means 2 row and 2 column. A11, A12, A21, A22. This is 2 cross 2. So A11 means first row, first column, and we will define like this way. First row is known as I and J is known as column. I plus j upon 2. 1 means in place of I is 1, in place of j is also 1. So we can write this thing 1 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 1 will come. So A12 and define Aij equal to I plus j by 2. 1 plus 2 by 2 means 3 by 2 will come. Then A21 means 2 plus 1 by 2, this is again 3 by 2 will come because we have to put this value here only. And A22 means 2 plus 2 by 2 means 4 by 2, it will come 2. By putting all these values over here, 1 is coming 1, right? 1 2 is coming 3 by 2, 3 by 2. A12 is also 3 by 2. And last one 2 is coming 2. This is 2 cross 2. This is the construction of matrix and by given conditions. This is the question. Question is that the constructive matrix of the order 2 cross 2 define A equal to Aij where I plus j upon 2 is this. So like the same way, and we will start your next exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Question number first. Now I am solving these questions in the serial number 1, and you have to go through the proper question. The question is that 2, 5, 19, 7. This is known as the first row. 35 minus 2, 15 upon 2, 12. This is the row number 2. Root 13, 1 minus 5, 17. This is row number 3rd. We have to find order of this matrix, and order we know that order means m cross n, means here m cross n. And what is row? How many rows? 1, 2, 3. How many rows are there? 3 rows. And column 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 column. Its order is known as 3 cross 4. This is the first answer. Order of this matrix 3 rows and 4 column. 3 rows, row cross column means 3 row and 4 column, and this is known as the order of this matrix. Number of element means, and we have to multiply both of them. 3, 4, 12 elements are there. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 elements are there. The elements we have to define also element. 1, 3 means A13 means first row, third element. First row, third column. 1, 2, 3, and this is 19 will come. 3, 1, 2, 3. Third row, third column. Third row, 1, 2, 3. Third column. This is minus 5 will come. A24. A2. Second row, fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will come. Now A23. Second row, third element. Second row, 1, 2, third. Means 15 upon 2 will come. This is the answer of question number first. Now come to the question number second. Question number 2. A matrix having 24 element. A matrix having 24 element and what is the what is the possible number of order of this equation? The possible order. Elements are these, the possible order. Possible order. It may be 1 row and 24 column, 1 cross 24, or 2 row 12 column may be there, and 3 row 3 8s are 24, also possible. 4 6s are 24, also possible, and 4 6s are, and 6 4s are 6 row 4 column, 7 8, 8 3s are, or 12 2s are, or 24 1s are, and these types of order are possible because 24 elements are there. It means we can construct a matrix having the order 1 row 24 column, 2 row 12 column, 3 row 8 column, 4 row 6 column, 6 row 4 column, 8 row 3 column, 12 row 2 column, or 24 row 1 column. And the question having the same one more things. If 13 elements are there, if for the 13 element, then 1 cross 13 or 13 cross 1, there is 2 matrices are possible. 1 cross 13 or 13 cross 1, 2 matrices are possible. Okay, now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is also same as the question number 2, and we have to construct all these. Now question number 4, it is given construct a matrix and which is defined A equal to Aij, which is 2 cross 2, and first Aij equal to I plus j whole square upon 2. If the question is asking and we have to construct a matrix of order 2 cross 2, and first of all we will write a matrix of like this way: A11, A12, A21, and A22. So for the first case, Aij means we will go through the A11. A11 means I for 1, j for 1. 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. 1 plus 1 2, 2 2 are 4 upon 2 means 2 will come. A12 1 2 here 1 plus 2 whole square upon 2, 2 plus 3 1 9 upon 2, and A21 means 2 plus 1 whole square upon 2. Instead of 2 comma 1, I for 2 and j for 1 we can put here, and it will come 9 upon 2 again, and A22 is this one we can put here. So 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 4 is 16 upon 2, that is 8. We can put here which one? A11, that is 2, A12 9 upon 2, A21 9 upon 2, and this one is 8. This is 2 cross 2. This is the first answer of this question. And now come to the next, second one. Same. Aij equal to I upon j. And all these things will come same. Now see, because condition this one for this one. Now see, second one. A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. A11 is defined by I upon j. 1 upon 1 means 1 will come. A12 I upon j. I is 1, j is 2. 1 upon 2 will come. A21 means I upon j. I is 2. 2 upon 1 means 2 will come. A22 I upon j. This is 2 upon 2 equal to 1 will come. We can put this value here. Equal to 1 1. A11 is 1. A12 means 1 by 2. A21 means 2. A22 means 1 will come. This is 2 cross 2. Like the same pattern, we can solve the third question also and go through these questions, and you can solve the rest of the questions. All questions are same approx, and I am solving the question number 6 now. Okay, now come to the question number 6. Question number 6. If two matrices have been given to you, and you have to find the value of x and y. The question is asking find the value of x and y. Like this way. and this is first of all check this is 2 cross 2 and this matrix is also 2 cross 2 matrix. It means the corresponding elements must be same because equal to sign is there. Means this matrix as well as this matrix both are equal matrix if the order of the matrix is same. If the order of the matrix is same, then we can equate. Now see the first element and this one is first element, y equal to 4. And this one also means z equal to 3 will come. This and this also x equal to 1 will come. 5 and 5 are already same. It means this is the value of x, y and z. Like the same way, question number 6, 7, 8 and 9 all are same. But one question number 10 is little bit different. Now see the question number 10. And next one, see how we can solve these two things. The number of possible matrix, the number of possible order of the matrix of 3 cross 3 if the elements are entry of the elements of 0 or 1. 0 or 1 means either this one 3 cross 3 matrix, either 0 0 can be inserted or 1 1 can be inserted. Means there is a two way by which we can insert these number either 0 0 or 1 1. Means what is the order? Order is 3 cross 3. It means 2 to the power 3 3 is 9 will come and 2 to the power 9 equal to 512. 512 will be the answer of this question because there is a two way to insert the number either 0 or 1. That is two way and two order is this one and 2 to the power m cross n, 2 to the power m cross n, 2 to the power 3 cross 3 and 2 to the power 3 cross 3 means 9 will come, 2 to the power 9 means 512 will come. This is the answer. Okay. Operation of matrix. Addition and subtraction of the matrix. And how the two matrix or three matrix or more than two matrix can be added or can be subtracted. This is a matrix A having the order is m cross n and other matrix is B having the same order as m cross n. Then these two matrices added or subtracted only in one cases if their order must be same, then they will added or subtracted, otherwise not. Then if A having the order is m cross n, B having the order is m cross n also, and by adding both these matrices its order will be same m cross n, then the matrix addition or subtraction is possible, otherwise not. But how we can add? Suppose we having a matrix A 2 1 3 4, its order is 2 cross 2 and B is another matrix whose order is 1 0 5 3 and its order is also 2 cross 2. It means because A and B having the same order, A matrix and B matrix having the same order, then the addition or subtraction of both the matrices is possible and we can add both of them, A plus B. Only corresponding elements may be added or subtracted. A plus B, we are finding A plus B and 2 plus 1 equal to 3 will come. 1 plus 0 means 1 will come. 3 plus 5, 8 will come. 4 plus 3, 7 will come. This matrix having the same order also 2 cross 2. Suppose A minus B is there and we want to subtract this matrix from A to B and 2 minus 1. 1 will come, 1 minus 0, 1 will come, 3 minus 5, minus 2 will come, 4 minus 3, 1 will come and its order will also same. This is for the 2 cross 2 matrix. Addition and subtraction of the matrix is possible only when the order of the both matrices are same. Then we can add or subtract the matrix. And one more thing, scalar multiplication of the matrix. And suppose a matrix is given and scalar multiplication of the matrix. Suppose 2A plus 3B, and if A is a matrix like 2, 4, 1, 3 and B is another matrix 1, 5, 7, 8. But addition and subtraction of the matrix is only possible when its order is same. So how we can find 2A? 2A means A matrix is multiplied by 2. The 2 will multiply each element of the given matrix. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6 will come. And 3B means we will multiply all elements inside of this matrix by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5 are 15, 3 7 are 21, 3 8 are 24 will come. Then addition of these two matrices. So 2a plus 3b equal to, we can add both of them. 4 plus 3 is 7, 8 plus 15 is 23, 2 plus 21 is 23 again, 6 plus 24 is 30, and its order will also come same 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. Hence, this is known as scalar multiplication of any matrix like this way. And after addition and subtraction, I would like to tell you how to multiply the matrix. Now, okay, this is really very important things. Multiplication of the matrix, and most of the students are going to confuse how to multiply the matrix. Multiplication of the matrix, first of all, go through it. Suppose A is the matrix of order m cross n, and we have to multiply the another matrix, and the matrix, which matrix can be multiplied. This is the main things and how we can multiply. In a previous question, and we have solved how we can add or how we can subtract the matrix. But if the matrix order is same, then we can add or subtract matrix. But in case of the multiplication, if a matrix is A having the order is m cross n, m is row and this is column. This is known as row and this is known as column. Then, if the matrix is having the row and column, and for the multiplication of the another matrix B, and its how many column are there, means its column is n, so it should be n cross k. N cross k means the matrix multiplication of the two matrices is possible when the first matrix column is equal to second matrix row must be same, then the matrix multiplication is possible, otherwise not. Now see, first matrix, this is row and this is column. First matrix number of column equal to second matrix number of row must be same, then the multiplication of the matrix is possible, otherwise not. And whatever the new matrix will come, multiplication of these two matrices, suppose C is coming, and its order will come m cross k. M cross k will come. First matrix, column of first matrix is equal to a row of second matrix will same or equal, then multiplication is possible, otherwise not. Now see, I have written here A matrix having 1 2 3 3 2 1 4 1 2 2 rows and 3 columns. I have written its order is 2 cross 3. Another matrix B having 3 1 3 5 2 3 means 3 rows and 2 columns are there, and 3 cross 2 matrix is this, and its multiplication is possible or not. And first of all we will check its multiplication is possible. 2 cross 3 means its number of column of first matrix is same as the number of row in the second matrix, then the multiplication of the matrix is possible. Its multiplication is possible, then how we will multiply these things? A, B. Now see, this is very important. Its row is multiplied to its column. Row into column. Row is 1 multiplied to 3. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2. 3 into 2 means first row, first column. Its first row will multiply to first column. So 1 3 are 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2. Then first row, second column. 1 into 1. 1 into 1 plus 2 to 5. 2 into 5 plus 3 into 3. And for the second row, second multiply to first. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Then 1 into 3 plus 4 into 2. And second row, second column, 2 1 are 2. 2 1 are 2 plus 2, 1 into 5 plus 4 into 3. Then we can solve 3 1 are 3 plus 3 2 are 6 plus 3 2 are 6 2 3 जा 6, 3 1 जा 3, plus 4 2 जा 8, 1 1 जा 1, plus 5 2 जा 10, plus 3 3 जा 9, 2 1 जा 2, 5 1 जा 5, 12. So we can write 6 6 12 plus 3 equal to 15, 9 plus 19 plus 1 20, 8 plus 6 14, 17, 7 19, and its order will come 2 cross 2. I already talked to you, means its row, its column and its row must be same, then the new matrix will form, its order will come whatever its row and column. 2 cross 2 is this, and this is the multiplication of the matrix, and we have to multiply the matrix like this manner. Now we will go through the exercise question. Exercise 3.2, question number first. A, B and C is given by the question, and we have to find the value of A plus B, A minus B, AB and BA. And I already discussed with you and how to add and how to subtract the matrix. Now see, this is 2 cross 2 matrix, this is 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2 also. It means matrix addition as well as the multiplication is possible. See how to add A and B. Corresponding elements will be added. 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, and 3 plus 2 is minus 1 will come, and 2 plus 5 is 7 will come. This is the addition of the both matrix. Now see how to subtract. A minus B means corresponding elements. 2 minus 1, 1 will come. 4 minus 3, 1 will come. 3 minus 2, 5 will come. 2 minus 5, minus 3 will come. Now AB. AB means multiplication of the matrix. This is really little bit complicated. And see, it's row multiplied by column, and we already know this is 2 cross 2 and this is 2 cross 2 also, and it's a number of column and it's a number of row, both are same, so multiplication is possible. So its first row will multiply to first column. 2 1 ja 2 and 4 2 ja minus 8, and first row second column 2 3 ja 6 and 4 5 ja 20, plus second row first column 3 1 ja 3 minus 2 2 ja 4, second row second column 3 3 ja 9 plus 2 5 ja 10. So it will come 2 minus 8 minus 6, then this is come 26, this will come minus 1, this will come 19. And we will find BA, but some of the students having the confusion, because, and we know that 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6 also, but here in case of the matrix multiplication is not commutative. Whatever we have got AB equal to this one, if we will find the value of BA, it will come different one. Now see, BA, its row will multiply the column first, row, this one will multiply this one. Now see, BA 1 3 is to be multiplied 1 into 2 plus 3 into 3, first row first column, and this is first row second column, first row second column 1 4 is 4 plus 3 2 is 6. Then it's second row first column, second row first column, second 2 into minus 2, second row first column, second row first column, then 5 3 is 15, 5 into 3, then second row second column 2 4 is minus 8 and 5 2 is 10. Then we can check these things. 2 1 is 2, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11, and 5 3 is 15, 15 minus 2 2 is 4 is 11 also, 4 plus 10 and 10 minus this is 2, this is 2 cross 2, this is 2 cross 2 also. We can check these things AB and BA. AB is coming this one, BA is coming next different one. It means AB and BA having a different value, so we can say that these things AB and BA is not commutative. AB will not equal to BA. Like the same manner, you have to solve the remaining question of this exercise till question number whatever I am thinking. You will not having any type of problem till question number 8, 9, 10, 16, 17, and you will get a problem, a little bit problem in question number 18. Until question number 17 you have to solve. Then 18 onwards I will tell. And next day I will tell you the question number 18. Till 17 you have to solve. Okay.